Today we are going to see how we can create this transition and bundle them into a Drfx file. Add any transition from here and convert the transition into Fusion Cross Dissolve. Open the transition in the Fusion tab by clicking here. Delete the default cross dissolve transition. Add a merge node and connect the media nodes to the merge node. Now select the merge node and click on the size modify with anim curves. Now open the modifiers tab and change the scale value to 1. Also change the curve to the custom and draw a curve like this. Now see if the transition looks good. If it is, then right click on the merge node and create new macro. Now give a name to your macro and save it to your known location. You have to create folders like this. Now copy the setting files to here. Now compress this folder into a zip file. Now change the extension to a Drfx file.